So the website that I found to be super helpful with UDL lesson planning is called Illuminations, and it's created by the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics. So it's strictly a mathematic-based website, and this website provides lessons through pre-K through 12 math lessons. So there is featured lesson plans that are offered about numbers and operations, algebra, geometry, measurement, data analysis, and probability, and you could click on one for the grade. So we can do 6 through 8 and we'll do geometry. And we'll search, and there are different games, lessons, and activities that you can do that are interactive for the students on the board. You have to be a member to access all of these, but they are still really cool, and you can see the different plans and games. So each lesson comes with interactive games and interactive problem solving skills and questions that a student would find helpful with learning. And so you can play games, you can do brain teasers, there are a lot of success stories, and then there's interactives also provided. So for instance, this one is investigating functions with a Ferris wheel distance versus width. So it provides a sketch pad, so for visual learners. And if you do this on a screen in a class, like a smartboard, you can actually like physically touch it as well. So it can be for like kinesthetic learners or visual learners. This is a great tool that you can either print out or use as a website. And so it gives you the instructions of what the problem asks and on the sketch pad. And then it does it for you. So this is like super helpful. I wish I would have had this when I was learning about this stuff. It is so cool. We can go try and do another one. So other interactives we can do Power of Points. So it's for 9th through 12th graders. So it gives you the age range, which I find super helpful as well. So here's the activity. You can show the products, the links. It gives you instructions once again. It gives you an exploration, and it gives you the standards that this problem shows. So it's a very cool, helpful, interactive math website that you can use for all ages. Button trains. Oh, this is one of those. You can do Calculation Nation, and it gives you other related resources. It's a very hands-on and visual learning math website that has sketch pads. Why is it not going? You can use these. Once again, it has the grades and it has visual examples. I just find it very cool. I feel like if I was in taking math classes and there was this up on the screen that I could physically touch or physically see at a large portion rather than it just being in a textbook, I would have found it very helpful. I think this is awesome, and I love how you can do different standards per grade, and you can search what you're specifically looking for. Well, that one, oh, didn't do this. And it gives you the different lessons, and there's so many to choose from. They're so creative. There's 10 pages worth. I just think it's very awesome, super cool, used for all ages. I think it can help a lot of learners. It can be used visually, hands-on. You can listen to people discuss it. I think it's awesome. This is a very cool website, strictly for math only, but I think it can be very helpful and useful in a UDL-based classroom because there are so many different lessons. You can use different lessons for, or different one of these examples and interactives for the same lesson, so you can have multiple examples. This is a really cool website, and I'm very happy I found it, and I will be using it in my future.